Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to English Listen Easy. Let's train your listening today.
Hey everyone, I'm Jack.
And I'm Emma.
Jack, you look tired today.
I am tired. I tried something yesterday and my brain hurts.
What did you do? Run a marathon?
No, worse. I tried to think in English all day, like every single thought.
Oh, that's actually what we're talking about today, listeners. How to think in English.
Yeah, and I failed. Hard.
Well, at least you tried. I gave up on that idea years ago.
Wait, you gave up?
I still translate everything in my head when I'm nervous. It's a bad habit.
See, that's the problem. We all do that, and it makes everything slower.
Exactly. So today we're going to talk about simple exercises that actually help, not the crazy stuff like what Jack tried yesterday.
Yeah, my version was too extreme. I'll tell you that story in a minute.
Before we start, quick reminder, if you enjoy these episodes, please subscribe so you don't miss our next conversations. We'd love to have you back.
All right, so let's talk about thinking in English. Emma, when did you first realize you needed to stop translating?
Oh, that's a good question. I think it was when I was traveling in London a few years ago. I was at a coffee shop and the guy asked me something simple, like, "What size do you want?"
Okay.
And in my head, I heard him in English, then I translated it to my language, then I thought of my answer in my language, then I translated it back to English, and by that time, the guy was just staring at me like I was broken.
Oh no.
Yeah, and he just repeated the question slower, like I didn't understand. It was so embarrassing.
I know that feeling. I did the same thing during a job interview once.
Really?
Yeah, the person asked me about my experience and I was translating every word in my head. I answered like 10 seconds too late. It was awkward.
That sounds painful.
It was, and that's when I noticed something important. I noticed that when I'm relaxed, I don't translate, but when I'm nervous, I translate everything.
Oh, wait, that's so true. I never thought about it like that.
Right? It's like our brain goes into panic mode and switches back to our first language.
So, how do we fix that?
Well, that's what the exercises are for. But first, let me tell you about my disaster yesterday.
Okay, I'm ready.
So I decided to think in English for the entire day, every single thought, from the moment I woke up.
That's a lot.
Yeah, I woke up and thought, okay, I am awake now. I need to get up. My alarm is loud. I am tired.
That's so formal.
I know, and it continued. I went to the kitchen and thought, I will make coffee now. The coffee smells good. I need milk.
You sound like a robot.
Exactly. That's the problem. I was thinking in English, but it didn't feel natural at all.
So, what happened?
By lunchtime, I had a headache. My brain was so tired from forcing every thought into English.
Oh, Jack, you poor thing.
And then I gave up and ordered pizza in my own language. It felt so good.
See, that's why we need simple exercises, not the Jack method.
Hey, at least I tried.
You did. And honestly, I think the problem was that you tried to do too much at once.
Yeah, you're right. It's better to start small.
Exactly. So let's talk about simple exercises that actually work. Jack, what's the first one?
Okay, the first exercise is super easy. Just describe what you see around you in English.
Like right now?
Yeah, Look around the room and say simple sentences in your head.
So I would think, there is a microphone in front of me. Jack is sitting across from me. The walls are gray.
Perfect. See? That's way easier than trying to translate a full conversation.
Yeah, and it feels more natural because I'm not stressed.
Exactly. You can do this anywhere, on the bus, in your room, at a cafe. Just describe what you see.
I like that. What's the second exercise?
The second one is about feelings. When you feel something, say it in English in your head.
So, like, I am happy, I am tired, I am hungry.
Yes, but you can also make it more detailed, like, I am hungry and I want pizza, or I feel nervous about this meeting.
That makes sense. It's like talking to yourself, but in English.
Exactly. And the cool thing is, nobody knows you're doing it. It's private practice.
That's true. I could do this in the middle of a boring meeting and nobody would notice.
Please don't zone out in meetings, Emma.
Too late. I already do that.
Okay, anyway, the third exercise is my favorite.
What is it?
Make simple plans in English, like what are you going to do later today?
Oh, okay. So I would think, I will go home after this. I will cook dinner. I will watch a movie.
Yes, and if you want, you can add reasons, like I will cook dinner because I'm too tired to go out.
I love that. It's like a little story in your head.
Exactly. And over time, it gets faster and more natural.
So basically, we're training our brain to use English automatically.
Yes, that's the goal.
Jack, can I add one more exercise that helped me?
Of course.
So this one is a bit silly, but it works. I talk to my cat in English.
You what?
I know, but hear me out. My cat doesn't judge me, so I can say anything and make mistakes, and he doesn't care.
That's actually genius.
Right? I say things like, "Are you hungry? Do you want food? You are so lazy today."
Does he respond?
He just stares at me like I'm crazy, but it helps me practice thinking in English without pressure.
I might try that, except I don't have a cat.
You can talk to a plant or a wall. Anything works.
Wall. Great advice, Emma.
Hey, walls are good listeners.
Fair enough. Okay, so we have 4 exercises now. Describe what you see around you, name your feelings, make simple plans, and talk to your pet or wall.
When you put it like that, it sounds weird.
Maybe a little, but the point is all of these exercises are low pressure. You're not trying to have a perfect conversation, you're just practicing in your head.
And that's the key, listeners. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to practice a little bit every day.
Exactly. Even 5 minutes a day makes a difference.
Jack, do you still translate in your head sometimes?
Oh, all the time, especially when I'm tired or stressed.
Okay, good. I thought it was just me.
No way. I think everyone does it, even people who are really good at English.
That makes me feel better.
The goal isn't to stop translating forever. The goal is to translate less and less over time.
I like that. It feels more realistic.
Yeah, and honestly, I think the exercises we talked about today help a lot with that.
Me too. I've been using the describe what you see exercise for a few months now, and it really works.
What do you notice when you do it?
I notice that my brain gets faster. At first, I had to think really hard to find the words, but now it just happens automatically sometimes.
That's awesome. See, that's proof that practice works.
Yeah, and the funny thing is, I don't even realize I'm doing it anymore. Sometimes I catch myself describing things in English without planning to.
That's the dream right there.
It is, although it's also a little weird. Like yesterday, I was at the store and I thought, these apples look fresh. And then I was like, wait, why did I think that in English?
Your brain is switching languages on its own. That's actually a good sign.
I guess so. It feels strange, though.
It does at first, but that strangeness means you're making progress.
I hope so.
Trust me, you are. Okay, so let's do a quick recap for listeners.
Sure. So today we talked about how to think in English, and we shared 4 simple exercises.
First, describe what you see around you. Second, name your feelings in English. Third, make simple plans in your head. And fourth, talk to yourself, your pet, or even a wall.
Still funny that we mentioned walls.
It's true, though. The point is to practice without pressure.
Right. And remember, you don't need to be perfect, you just need to start.
Even 5 minutes a day helps. Your brain will get faster over time.
And here's a little bonus tip for listeners.
Oh, what is it?
If you forget a word in English while you're thinking, don't stop. Just use a simpler word instead.
That's great advice. For example, if you can't remember the word vehicle, just say car.
Exactly. Keep going. Don't let one missing word stop your practice.
I love that. Okay, before we finish, I want to remind everyone about our word of the episode.
Oh, right. The word was notice.
Yeah, I used it earlier when I said I notice that I translate more when I'm nervous.
It's a really useful word. It means to see or realize something.
Like, I noticed the sky is blue today. Or, did you notice that she was upset?
Perfect examples. And listeners, try to notice when you start thinking in English naturally. It's a good feeling.
All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for listening, everyone.
If this episode helped you, please like it, share it, and subscribe. We really appreciate your support.
And we have a question for you, listeners. Do you ever think in English, or do you translate everything first?
Let us know in the comments. We love hearing from you.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing.